If you're new here, hi, my name is Keisha. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do traditional K-tips on my client. It's highly important to do a clearing fine shampoo. Sometimes I'll do 2 clearing fine shampoos and then follow through with a moisturizing or a hydrating shampoo as needed, and make sure I am cleansing the scalp all the way down to the ends. Even though I provide a steam treatment at the shampoo bowl, I also give the client a deep condition. I'll be using my Afro kinky curly hair because my client has very coily hair and it'd be very workable for her. So we're gonna go ahead and blow dry her hair out. What's also added in the service, I will make sure that you will have something to eat and something to drink because you're going to be there for quite some time. You are more than welcome to bring a laptop. You can have the remote control to watch anything you like to have on the TV. A trim is also included in this service. I like to use my comb as a guidance and make sure that the K-tips will not be visible. What you see is braided down is the hair that's going to be left out. So I'm going to go ahead and start my foundation at the lower crown of her head, right by her ears, because she is a person who stays in the gym. So I want to make sure that she is able to pull her hair up into a ponytail. I highly recommend using a shield. It does show your measurement and protects the client's scalp from the heating tool. I like to use this tool. It has more of a narrow nasal at the end. It definitely gives more of a customized K-tip look. Makes the hair look more like it's not really attached to your scalp. This is the part I love about the install. We are half through the install. I'm just doing my double checking. In the front or around the perimeter, I do like to use smaller K-tips, so I do customize them around the reason why I do smaller K-tips around the perimeter, because it won't feel like it's so heavy, especially it won't be so bulky when it's time to pull their hair into a ponytail or to a bun. And I feel like it's very, very much more comfortable than doing the one is just more of a thicker, wider one. The most important part, you definitely want all the K-tips to be extremely comfortable for your client so they know they can trust you while you are installing these into them. You want to make sure that you are following that guideline placement there between her scalp and the tool, because you do not want the client to feel the heat from the tool, and then plus you don't want any irritations to her scalp. As you can see here, I like to cut it in half because, again, we want to make sure that she is comfortable and we want it to be seamlessly to match her hair. And we don't want to, she doesn't like the hair to be too bulky, so I want to make sure that the customer is happy and we're going to make it fit to her liking. If you ever feel like the keratin bond is not molded down as much, don't ever be afraid to go back and use your tool to make sure that that K-tip is in solid, because they are going to wash their hair or come to you and get their hair maintenance. Remember, they're going to sweat. They may spray their hair down. So we want to make sure that that bond is secured in. The install is completed, so I'm going to go through and detangle, and then I'm going to spray it down with water and a defining gel. As you can see, I'm able to pull her hair into a high pony. She can wear it in a bun, and she is extremely comfortable and she's extremely happy because she is able to go to the gym with no problem. The hair blends in very well. So I'm going to show you up close where her hair blends very well with the K-tips. You wouldn't even know she had K-tips at all. This hair blends very well with her hair, and I absolutely love it. This service is required a consultation, and if you are interested, I am located in the DMV area, Woodbridge, Virginia, and thank you for watching.